Today I'm going to show you a quick, easy way to get a clean, accurate hole in your keychains. Now you can go ahead and line it up in Cricut and cut it out that way, and it looks nice and tidy, but you can see the hole's usually always bigger that you cut out from the hole to make sure it lines up correctly. So one way to get it exact and to save yourself some time is to go ahead and put your design on your keychain, and then using your weeding tool, just poke it through, and then using an X-acto knife, put your X-acto knife in the hole, and then just rim around the hole with your knife. And that gives you a nice, clean, accurate cut. Very quick, very easy.